Hey, we're down at the range today doing a little informal videoing of some suppressed weapons. First one we're going to start off with, this is a Enfield No. 4 rifle from Special Interest Arms. It's been converted to 45 ACP. Uses a proprietary mag adapter that fits in the mag well that accepts 45 mags, Colt style. Integrally suppressed, chrome line tube on the inside, baffle stacked spacers, nothing real fancy, and we're going to shoot with some standard ball ammo, FMJ. That was the gong at 100 yards. Okay, as you can see, the gun is amazingly quiet, a lot of fun to shoot. Richard does a great job on the conversion, and proud to have it in my collection.